So, implied parentheses. If you're going to enter this in a calculator right here, and you start happily typing along 2 divided by 2 plus 5, and then you hit enter, the calculator is going to think, oh, so you want me to take 2 divided by 2, and then you want me to add 5, which would be 1 plus 5, which is 6. Totally logical to the calculator, because the calculator didn't know you meant this. So how are you going to get this to go in the calculator properly? You need implied parentheses. Because see, if you do this now, you're going to now have parentheses here. And that will make your calculator do the 2 plus 5 first, and then go back and do 2 divided by the 7. Okay, so did you know that there's actually implied parentheses around the top and the bottom of every fraction? So which ones do you actually need? Well, if it's a single number, you don't have to have those implied parentheses there. Like in the previous example, you don't really need implied parentheses around a single 2. It's not going to do anything. So in this problem, where you'd really need the implied parentheses is on the bottom. That's to make sure that in the end, it does all of this first before you take 3 factorial and divide by that. All right, so bottom line, if you're in doubt on a fraction, put parentheses around the top and the bottom. And if it's a single number, you can just remember you won't need to put parentheses around a single number.